Dreamy Days.
Hey friends!
Today we are drawing 6 shapes. Let's get started. We will start by drawing a square. Now we will draw a circle. Next, we will draw a triangle. Time to draw a heart. Now, draw a star shape. At last, draw a semicircle. First, we will color the square pink. Now, color the circle yellow. Color the triangle green. Time to color the heart red. Now we will color the star blue. At last, color the semicircle orange.
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.